Take a ride in the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, heated seats, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, remote vehicle start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.